we've got such a beautiful planet, we've got such a beautiful life to live. And then we go and feel not sure of ourselves. So when you're not sure of yourself, to push yourself then for a result virtually guarantees that you will meet with unwillingness and resentment and objection. You'll have a new enemy that's mad and vengeful. Because when you're not sure of yourself, it's no use pushing yourself and demanding of yourself to deliver something that doesn't feel like it's available here. Where must it come from? It must come from in here. And if you are not connected to in here, how can you produce it? And then you go into this huge fight with yourself, this opposition, opposing energy. So, to push for a result virtually guarantees you will meet with unwillingness. If you're not feeling sure of yourself, if someone shows you a deep chasm or a gorge with a thin rope over it, and you know that you're not a tightrope walker and you've got to cross this thing, of course you're going to offer willingness and even resentful that you should be asked to do such a ridiculous thing. But life is no different. Sometimes it's best not to go there, because you can't be given that to do if you don't go there. That's a place you have to go to, not a place you want to come from. So you give that up. It's best not to go there. So now look at some examples that come up for you when you don't feel sure of yourself. Again, completely overwhelmed, or how horrible people are, how unfair life is. No, don't go there. Don't go there. Why punish and give yourself more to endure? Why push for more when you already feel discomfort and pain? Remain calm. When others feel harassed and confused and upset and all that around you, feel secure regardless of the pressures that may, present itself to you all the time. It's like that for all of us. No one is exempt. You must be able to adapt yourself.